Hey everybody, got a mail call today from Dale over at Dale's Workshop. So I'll share a link to his channel here at the end. But let's check out and see what he brought us or sent us. So we got this package in the mail from Dale. So let's open up and see what he sent us. Ooh, a Barkaloy for the Barkalow collection. And oh wow, Pexto. That's cool. Oh, cool. A Barkalow. Double ring. 3/4 and 7/8. Oh wow, a Peens core. Yeah, I got a small Peens core collection going, so awesome. Ooh, a channel lock for the channel lock collection. That's cool. Oh, look at this bad mamma jamma. I'm not seeing any name on it. Hey, that's cool anyway. Maybe inside. Well, we'll have to clean this one up. But yeah, this is a beefy pair of pliers. I like this. This is cool. Oh, it's a Mac. Oh wow. That is really cool. Oh wow. Yeah, oh wow, that's really cool. So here's the tools that was sent to us by Dale. So awesome, we appreciate that. So that was a really good Thanksgiving surprise to get those tools from Dale. So yeah, I'll be sending you out some stickers here shortly. So as always, everybody stay safe, and we will check you later.